I took a trip out to Kerrville, a town in the Texas Hill Country, when I went to play some music at Trailhead Beer Garden. Kerrville is located 100 miles west of Austin, Texas, and 65 miles northwest of San Antonio. So it could take about 2 hours to get there from Austin or about an hour to get there from San Antonio. The population is around 25,000 people, so it's a pretty decent-sized town out here in the Texas Hill Country. It's named after James Kerr, who was a major in the Texas Revolution, and Joshua Brown was also influential as a settler and founder where he started a shingle-making camp here. As San Antonio grew, Kerrville helped supply lumber and produce and craftsmen, and that helped Kerrville grow. And then the cattle business got bigger here with sheep and goat ranching as well. And they had cattle drives in the late 1800s here. And then the San Antonio and Aransas Pass Railway reached Kerrville in the late 1800s too. Given the small town and relative isolation of the city within the hill country, there's a pretty strong community here. And the Guadalupe River was a big part of the settlement of the area since it runs directly through the city. So you could walk there from the area downtown that I've been showing, and you'll find people out along the river on those hot summer days. And there are a lot of great views around here and a lot of recreational activities that people can find. So that active outdoor lifestyle is a popular thing that folks enjoy here. The tourists and the locals, they do like to head up to Fredericksburg sometimes. It's another popular neighboring hill country town. And they've got a pretty good artistic culture here in Kerrville too. It's home to the Texas Official State Arts and Crafts Fair, the Kerrville Folk Festival, the Kerrville Triathlon, and the Kerrville Renaissance Festival. The footage that I've been showing is from a walk around the downtown area where you can find some interesting and historical buildings and architecture, including shopping and restaurants and places to find a drink and antiques. In terms of food, the Hill Country Cafe is a popular place, and it's the location of the original H-E-B store. And for myself, I ended up finding some tacos at Vecino's Cafe. For culture, they've got the Kerr Arts and Cultural Center downtown, and they have a Schreiner mansion that goes back to the late 1800s, and you could take tours inside. They also have the Caillou Theater. I think I said that correctly. It's a city center for the performing arts, so they have a lot of plays there. But they've got a good amount of live music that happens here. They've got Arcadia Live, which has been here since the 1920s with live music, entertainment, community events, and private rentals. Then right next to it is the busted Sandal Favorite Saloon. Then when I was walking around, I found the Divine Sports Bar has live music featured there as well. And also when I was walking around this area, I discovered some live music that they were preparing for tonight, happening at River's Edge Gallery, which does framing and printing. They had Marathon Highway getting ready to play some music. Not too far from the downtown area is Pint Plow Brewing Company. I've played music there a few times before. Then there's Basement Brewers of Texas that has live music. And ultimately, I made it out to Trailhead Beer Garden, which is not too far from here. It's on the Schreiner University campus. I had a good time playing music to the folks hanging out there on this day. Let's fall in love and move to Montana. Make each other our own Christmas cards. We'll write it on the wall with an arrow in the heart. Let's fall in love and fall apart. Thanks for checking out this video. I'm posting all about touring around Texas and the music scene around Texas here on my YouTube channel. You could click on the channel and check out those thumbnails and see which topics interest you. I also have some thumbnails pop up here if you want to learn more about some cool little Texas Hill Country towns. Thanks for checking out this video, and thank you for your support.